So the GPS stopped working. So I should have showed y'all what it looked like before. It was all wrapped up in this little, I broke it all off, but I found out what the problem is. Now you can see the inside wire is still connected. The inside wire is the positive. The outside wire is the ground. And it got corroded, maybe, I'm assuming from water. It had to be some kind of moisture. But I'm going to try to reground this. I'm going to try to reground this, and once I get another ground on it, the GPS should start back working. This is my granddad. He taught me everything I know. Everything about electronics and all that kind of shit. Come on this side. The ground got corroded off. Can you help me solder another ground on it?
Where?
See the outside wire corroded off?
Where do you solder to?
It's a ground in there. It's inside the tip.
Where'd you buy this at? What is that?
It's GPS antennas for my navigation.
Super. That should have been is that a new one?
You gonna help me fix it or not?
I'm looking at it, Mike. I'm asking you a question.
Don't break it. Now the inside wire, I can peel that off. I just need you to help me solder a tip. Solder a piece of wire in there. Alright, I'm on my way to AutoZone. Gonna buy some solder, and I might buy a new solder gun, solder iron, whatever you want to call it. My dad, his is a little old, and the tip he has on his is kind of wide, and what I need is a needle nose tip. Just left AutoZone. We got the soldering iron, and we bought some small solder. What we are soldering is the tip of it is real small.
Some on the tip. That's what I say. I need that big iron to melt it. How does that? Put it on top. Okay, that's good. That's right there. Peter. If I had an iron like that size there, just keep it on there. I want to melt it. I've got to melt it on this can. See, that's where I say you need a bigger gun. Okay, let go, man. Let go, man. Good. That's solid right there. Okay.
Okay, now I'm running my antenna wire back to the radio. I'm just gonna you want to make sure this is tight. Make sure this is nice and tight. Okay, we got the antenna wire hooked back up. Now I'm going to put the radio back in. Okay, I finally found how to make this damn phone show up clear. Okay, but basically you can see in this wire right here is the positive wire. That's why there's shields around it, so nothing negative can hit it and shorten it out. The ground wire was around this. It broke off. It corroded off. So what I did, I just sorted another ground right here on this corner. But yeah, I fixed it. It's working. There we go, as you can see, 5 satellites. It's really 10, but I don't know why the other 5 ain't. No, they probably gonna start popping. There they go. But yeah, I fixed it, as you can see it. All right, as you can see, we got 10 satellites. We back up and running. I was wondering why it just stopped working. I mean, I reset the radio a few times, that didn't do nothing. So the only thing it could be was the antenna. And I showed y'all how to fix it. So if you have one of these radios and your GPS stops working, or you have another radio and your GPS stops working, check the antenna.